This Phantom wallet, $5.4 million, all made from deving meme coins. Not by trading, not by gambling, not by acting dumb, just by deving smart. Stay tuned, I'll show you the exact method behind it right now. When I first started trading meme coins, I bought every new token I could possibly find on Memescope. But every single time I bought inside a coin, I got completely dumped on and basically got drained. And then I realized the people actually making money are not traders. Because when you trade meme coins, you become exit liquidity. You buy here, 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 and here, and you still end up losing all your money because you have no true control. The people who actually have true control are the devs, because they are the people who are behind these coins, orchestrating the launch and orchestrating the dump. That's where the real money is, and that's exactly why I'm making this video, because in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create your very first meme coin and print some generational wealth. You guys will see in today's video. Make sure you keep watching, because right now Solana is pumping and Bitcoin is breaking records. It's the best time to start launching. Make sure to keep watching. By the way, a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. It's all fake, it's all made with AI, so please do not copy me. Cap! Now, most people migrate to Pump.Fun to launch meme coins because they think that they can make a lot of money on this platform. Okay? Now, even though they just came out with a brand new live streaming feature, okay, it just doesn't work anymore. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. So many tokens are launching every single hour, and most are never even getting noticed. On top of that, when you dev a meme coin on this platform, you do not even control the liquidity, because you are not the one who is creating it. Pump.Fun is for you. Okay, that's exactly why I hate this platform, because even if you're up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even remove that money. But on Create Tokens.io though, it's completely fucking different, because all your coins are getting launched straight to Raydium. It's immediately graduated, which means it skips all the bonding curves, all that bullshit, right? And it goes directly to Raydium. It will be viewed to thousands of potential investors, of potential trenchers. It's a cheat code, okay? Buyers will be ready to trade it. It's faster, smarter, and gives you real control. This platform is the real deal. And here's how deving works on Create Tokens.io. Now, you have two different ways to, make a coin. The first way is to start fresh. So go on X, go on TikTok, go on Reddit, go on whatever the fuck you want, and look for a narrative that could be trending and that you could make a meme coin base off of. It could be literally anything. For example, Trump just imposed tariffs on the Chinese government. That could be decent. Happy Solana ETF day, that could be good. It could be literally anything, right? Yeah. Now, once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to Create Tokens.io, invent a name, add the symbol, and a quick image, and just like that, after a couple more steps, you are done for your custom creation. But the second method though, that's my favorite one, because it's the one that made me the most amount of money by far in 2025, and that's the copy trending coins tab, okay? It's fucking insane. You guys will see, okay? Now, this tab is my go-to move. All these tokens right here are all putting in traffic on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch directly onto Raydium. And since the attention's already in these coins and all these coins are already proven to go viral, you will get instant buyers and faster flips. That's exactly why people copy coins. Alright, let's stop gooning around and let's actually launch a meme coin right now and make some bread. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, okay? Then click on the blue button right here, which will refresh the list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I think I'm gonna go with the poor coin. It has a last buy 24 seconds ago, 48 replies, which is, not too shabby, and a $25,000 market cap. Now, any coin right here should work, but I'm gonna go with this one. Click on create coin. Ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. In 3, 2, 1, boom. And if I go in source scan, you guys can see that it's live on the blockchain. It's all legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where all the market comes to life. We're just adding liquidity inside your own token so your coin becomes instantly tradable on Raydium with live volume. This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't offer you guys to do. Now first is for the amount token A, just select the 90% button. That's going to put 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under is for the amount token B. Think of it as planting the first ever seed of your liquidity. You are not spending it. It's just temporarily locked. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL returns straight back inside your wallet. That's exactly why we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, which is a bit above the minimum, just to be safe, and then click on create pool. And then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the pool coin is now live. Our PNL is right here. And if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $179 because people are now buying our coin on the Raydium DEX. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. If you want to see the chart on other platforms like Axiom, NeoBullX, or Photon, just paste the token address here. It's that simple. Let me go on full screen real quick for a better view. Okay, 74 bucks, 50 bucks, we're up a couple $100, which is not bad. The chart might look a bit goofy, but do not worry about it, okay? It is going to stabilize and go higher and higher because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on Memescope, and that's the beauty of deving coins, okay? If you only make a couple $100, you can just rinse and repeat. Oh my god, bro, let's go! Come on, pump higher! Come on! Come on, bro! One more big... Oh my god, why is it edging me, bro? Oh my god. Okay, $2. That's not bad. We're at a 1.3k market cap, 1k liquidity. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? Okay, now it's time to dump the coin and make some bread. Actually, no. I'm gonna stop being emotional. I'm gonna let this coin fucking pump and pump and pump. Yes sir, 30 bucks straight inside my wallet. Oh my god, let's go, 50 bucks. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back when it's time to dump the coin. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? Okay, now it should be a good time to pump. Okay guys, I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're fucking bullish. It's just going up and up and up. We're at the 3.5k market cap and 1.6k liquidity. Things are looking juicy. Now, if you want to make some money and, off the coin, come back to createtokens.io first of all, and then click on the refresh button for a third time. And as you guys can see, now we're up 1.48k because we are at a 2.8k market cap and we have 1.5k liquidity. That's insane. Now, here's the fun part. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the cob out of the coin. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this much. Click on confirm right after. And boom! Oh my fucking god, bro! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some fucking bread! It's so good! Click on the and if I open my Phantom White for proof, boom! 1.4 grand all in my wallet, bro! So all real, let's go!